Hi everyone! What if taking just a small capsule of someone else's poop could change your personality like this? It sounds unbelievable, but this is real science. It's called a fecal microbiota transplantation, putting healthy bacteria from one person's gut into another's. Fecal transplants are used to treat disease like C. difficile infection or IBD, but sometimes they don't just help the gut, they can also affect mood and personality. Now, let's take a look inside the stomach. Your gut contains over 100 trillion bacteria. They make chemicals called metabolites. One of the most famous is butyrate, which can actually turn your brain's genes on or off. Some of the chemicals made by gut bacteria, like butyrate, can actually reach your brain through the blood. Once there, they can change how your genes are read, without changing the genes themselves. Here's how it works. Your DNA is wrapped tightly around proteins called histone. When it's wrapped too tightly, the genes stay off because they can't be read. But butyrate can loosen the histone, letting the DNA unwind a little. This makes it easier for certain genes to be turned on. Turning these genes on or off changes how brain cells work. That can shift the way brain sends signals, especially in areas controlling mood, stress, memory, and decision making. Over time, these brain changes can even affect how you feel, how you react, and possibly parts of your personality. In short, the bacteria in your gut can produce chemicals that flip genetic switches in your brain, possibly changing who you are. Fecal transplants show how science can literally change the mind from the inside out. What if the real me is actually growing in my gut?